Welcome to the Top Best. The best shuffleboard set is probably one of the most exciting and engaging games you can bring into your home, offering hours of fun for family and friends alike. Whether you're looking to add a touch of classic entertainment to your game room or seeking a new way to bond with loved ones, a quality shuffleboard set can transform any gathering into a memorable event. This review will guide you through the top options, helping you find the perfect set to elevate your game. Number 5. Elite Sports Equipment Tabletop Curling Game. Age is no barrier to fun with this exciting curling game. Whether you're young or old, it's time to gather everyone and play. This game is all about strategy and skill, not brute force. It's the perfect way to level the playing field and enjoy some quality family time together. Don't let a cancelled playdate or a house full of energetic kids get you down. This portable game sets up in minutes and provides hours of entertainment. Experience the thrill as the stones glide effortlessly across the surface, just like on a professional rink. It's a smooth ride all the way to victory. Promote healthy sportsmanship and create lasting memories with this durable set. It includes everything you need, plus a bonus travel bag for fun on the go. What we like. This set offers incredible portability and easy setup, making it perfect for spontaneous fun. If you're looking for a game that can be played anywhere, from a small apartment to a picnic table, this is the one. Its strategic gameplay ensures everyone from kids to adults can enjoy a competitive yet friendly match. What people say. The fact it curls on the edges is a good thing. It helps to keep the stones on the board and you can intentionally use it to curl the stone. The stones have a little steel ball that simulates moving on ice. It is a very realistic effect. It is very portable, very quick, and easy to set up. Number 4. Shuffleboard Bowling Pin Set. Transform your shuffleboard table into a thrilling bowling alley. This set is the perfect addition for endless family fun. Experience the quality of 10 premium hardwood bowling pins. Crafted for durability, they ensure long-lasting enjoyment for every game. Get straight to the action with the easy-to-use triangular pin setter. Simply lift the rack, and you're ready to play in seconds. This exciting game is perfect for adults and a fantastic way to bring your family together. Enjoy friendly competition with friends and loved ones. Your set includes everything you need: 10 tall bowling pins, a smooth resin bowling ball, a triangular pin setter, and a convenient carrying bag. What we like. Elevate your existing shuffleboard table with this bowling pin set. If you want to add a new layer of challenge and variety to your game nights, this is an excellent choice. The high-quality hardwood pins and easy-to-use pin setter provide a classic bowling experience right on your shuffleboard. What people say. Nice quality and a reasonable price. The ball works great. A lot of gutter balls. But great family fun. The finish is really high quality. Easy game to play, and excellent entertainment for the whole family. Number 3. Barrington Urban Shuffleboard Game Table. Introducing the Barrington Urban Shuffleboard, a compact yet durable game table designed to fit perfectly in your game room. It comes with all the accessories you need to get started right away. Experience incredibly smooth and fast puck action on its 9-foot UV-coated, scratch-resistant playfield. This engineered wood surface ensures an exceptional shuffleboard game every time. Built with quality in mind, it features a sturdy MDF construction with a faux concrete leg finish and a durable wood grain laminate. This ensures it stands up to plenty of play. Enjoy a superior gaming experience with its hidden leg levelers and climate adjusters for a perfectly even playfield. The carpet-lined gutters also reduce noise and protect the surface. With a pre-assembled mainframe, setting up this table is a breeze. It's designed for a recommended room size of 13 feet by 6 feet, making it ideal for most family game rooms. What we like. This is a substantial shuffleboard table designed for serious players and dedicated game rooms. If you're investing in a centerpiece for your entertainment space and desire a smooth, fast, and durable playing surface, this table is ideal. Its robust build and adjustable features ensure a consistent and enjoyable game for years to come. What people say. It is smaller than some shuffleboards, but fits perfectly in our basement without taking up too much floor space. The wood is high quality and faux concrete looks great and is still really sturdy. This table has some leveling screws which I was pleasantly surprised by. Number 2. Crown Me Shuffleboard Bowling Pin Set. Elevate your shuffleboard game with this premium bowling pin set. It's designed to bring classic fun to your tabletop. This set includes 10 solid hardwood bowling pins, offering a satisfying weight and durability. Each pin is crafted for a classic feel. The pins stand 4.25 inches tall with a 1-inch diameter, ideal for shuffleboard play. They provide a great target for your pucks. A sturdy 12 by 12 by 2-inch triangular pin setter is included to help you set up your pins quickly and easily. It's built to last. Experience high-quality construction with a visible logo, showcasing the attention to detail. You can feel the premium materials. Each pin features a foam protector on the bottom. This ensures they stand firm and protect your shuffleboard surface during play. What we like. For those who love the shuffleboard bowling experience but have limited space, this set is a perfect fit. If you appreciate the feel of solid hardwood and want to protect your pins and playing surface, the foam protectors are a great feature. It's ideal for adding a classic bowling challenge to your shuffleboard setup without taking up too much room. What people say. The bottom of the pins have a piece of felt on the bottom of each piece to allow for use without scratching the table. The pins are a strong and solid quality. It is lightweight and the storage bag is heavy-duty. This was a great addition to our shuffleboard table to make it a little more useful and give an additional game to play when people are over. Number 1. Champion SPORTZ Shuffleboard Game Set. Get ready for classic shuffleboard fun with this complete set. It includes everything you need for up to 2 players to enjoy the game anywhere. Take the game to your driveway, sidewalk, or local park. It's ideal for both relaxing play and friendly competition outdoors. This set comes with 2 lightweight aluminum cues and 8 colorful plastic pucks. They are designed for easy team play and visibility. Setting up your court is a breeze with the included chalk sticks. Everything fits neatly into the convenient carry bag for transport. Enjoy the quality that Champion SPORTZ has delivered for over 50 years. We help families and athletes embrace active, outdoor fun. What we like. This set is all about getting outdoors and enjoying classic shuffleboard with friends and family. If you're looking for a portable and easy to set up shuffleboard experience for your backyard, driveway, or park, this is a fantastic option. It includes everything needed for immediate play, making it perfect for casual gatherings and active fun. What people say. The 8 weighted discs appear quite durable and are large in bright colors. The 2 aluminum cue sticks are lightweight and easy to handle, yet they feel pretty sturdy. The plastic tips glide smoothly and the hand grips are comfortable. This set came with chalk and a sturdy canvas-type bag with logo. Very convenient for travel. The kit comes with 2 cues, 8 pucks, chalk and carrying case. I can't say enough about how handy the carrying case is. It keeps everything organized, making it a breeze to take to family gatherings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.